Here's how to replace the rear speakers in a 1990 Cadillac DeVille Coupe without the Bose system, although I don't think that matters. So, you see these two things right here? These are where the speakers are contained, and to get to them, let's get this under here, you're going to want to remove these four things, and just use your fingers to unscrew them. And because it's a little difficult to do it while holding a camera, I'm going to do it like this. Something you might want to do is hold up the bottom of the speaker box while you unscrew it. Some of these are a little threaded. Alright, there's one, and you see that's just what it's like. Oops. Then we'll remove the other. Alright, there goes that. Okay, now that those plastic clips are removed, what we're going to do now is we're going to lower it a little so it's no longer on top of those screws. Once it's like that, see how it's leaning down? What we want to do is we want to just kind of pull it away from the side, and then we want to kind of get it over this lip. And there is the speaker box. And the same thing goes for the other side. Now, something I want to note is that if you're replacing the factory speakers, you're going to need a 7mm socket because you see these right here, it's very difficult to get sockets down there unless you've got one of these things. And you can see that's what those look like, those right there. And those are a pain to get out unless you have one of these. It's a 7mm, I just got it from Lowe's. Once you're done with this, what you want to do is I'm just going to kind of put the speaker wire back in here, kind of keep it a little tidy, make it look a little nicer, if it'll actually let me. Oh well, and then we'll just push it up in there, get it over these metal pieces, like that, and push it back, and then we're going to, I'm sorry, I should have put the light there. We're going to want to push it up on there. And then once we're there, we want to start screwing it in, although we want to start screwing it in. And that is how you replace the rear speakers on a Cadillac DeVille, and it's just the same thing for that one. I just thought it would be pointless to show you both when it's the same process.